Good morning. I hope you're having a great day. I'm having a great start to the day. I am so happy that I moved my desk here into my bedroom. It just was so nice to sit in here and get ready this morning. Like, I have my makeup brushes and my makeup here, and I grabbed the little mirror that's on my dresser, and it was just so easy. I really enjoyed it. So much better than getting ready in the bathroom. So very happy with this little space. Today I thought we could hang out while I run some errands, just do a few little productive things here and there. I've got some cleaning to do, and I just want to do some like general spring organization. The first thing I need to do is clean the kitchen. I really don't want to because I love being in my bedroom and my living room where it's nice and bright. It's really dark in my kitchen and I don't love being in there, but I do need to get up and unpack the dishwasher and do all of that stuff. I just made some breakfast. I've got 2 fried eggs, a fried tomato, some fresh spring onions, and then my boyfriend likes to pickle, and he did a whole bunch of new pickles over the weekend, and I think they're done. Like, I'm actually not sure. Like, maybe they need another day or so. Oh, the seal on this is like really tight. Okay. I mean, they look like they're done, so I'm just gonna grab a couple of pickles. I eat pickles with pretty much every single meal. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. I love pickles so much. By far my favorite thing in the entire world. And this has been like my favorite breakfast lately, just eggs, tomatoes, and pickles. His pickles are really good. I'm gonna head out and run some errands. I have a package that I need to take to UPS. I have been avoiding it for a few days and it really needs to get done today. And I also need to go get some groceries. I just don't know what I need yet, so I will sit down and write a bit of a list and figure it out. And I think I'm gonna have to go to 2 grocery stores, which is kind of annoying, but I'm just getting ready. I have picked out this blue oversized shirt for today. This is from Quince. I'm wearing my white Levi's 501 Originals, best jeans ever. I only bought these ones a couple of weeks ago because they were on sale, and I think they still are. And then for earrings, I just have these little pearls that are probably from Claire's from a couple of years ago, and then just my usual gold jewelry. And then for shoes, I have a couple of options. Today's video is so kindly sponsored by Cozy Island, and I have a couple of their pairs of shoes. The first one I have is this little pointy toe slip-on mule in blue. Of course it's blue. Blue is my favorite color, and half my wardrobe is now blue, but these are so adorable. There's 2 little bows across the toe. There's a small heel, so they're really comfortable, and the heel also flares out a little bit at the bottom, which makes them more stable. The shoes have so much padding in the sole of them. They're actually incredibly comfortable, and if you are someone who has to spend a lot of time on their feet or you work in an office, then Cozy Island has a lot of really great options. These particular shoes come in 11 different colors. They have an incredible range of sort of neutrals, blacks, things that would be really work appropriate. The heels are made out of a stretchy knit, so they're very comfortable on the foot. Also, all of their pairs are actually made from recycled materials as well. And their website has free shipping, which is always a great thing in my eyes. A website that has free shipping, I think that's a big win. This summer, I have been trying to add in more color and then just more sort of funky, interesting designs. I love anything that's a pointy toe. I just think it is so flattering. Here's the full fit if I step back with the blue shoes. I think these are so fun. They're just so fun. I really just want to add a little more color and interest into my wardrobe. And as much as I would love to wear these to the supermarket right now, I do have to do a lot of walking, and even though they're like really squishy and like comfy, I think a flat's gonna be a better choice. These are the flat slide-on mules, and these are exactly what I have been looking for lately. I have been trying to add more flat enclosed toe shoes into my wardrobes that I can wear instead of sneakers. I'm kind of over sneakers. These are super comfy. They've also got the padding in the sole as well. There's a little heel here, and the stretch knit fabric makes them really comfortable. And I really love the gold buckle detailing on the front as well. And it's just like a really nice sort of pinky tone nude, which is right up my alley. And I think I'm gonna wear these today. If you are interested in checking out the Cozy Island shoes, I have a link and some more information down below. There's also a coupon code as well. I actually think I have a tote bag that would match this perfectly. I have this tote bag that I got from Everlane back in 2020. It has seen better days. I've absolutely worn it to death. I probably should give it a good clean and like a leather condition. I don't know if you can get it anymore, but it almost matches the shoes perfectly. I think nudes are so hard to match, so it's always a win when you get something that's like almost exact. And here is the full outfit with the slide. I think this works so well. I am gonna grab another tote bag though that I can put in here just in case I get too many groceries and I need the extra carry bag. I need to write a really quick shopping list, and I feel like I'm gonna forget half the stuff that I need. I need tahini. I actually have no idea why. My boyfriend wants it for something, so that's the first thing that's going on the list. I need tomatoes, eggs if I can get them. I want jam. I really want some jam. I need oil. And then we're thinking of making like a curry for dinner, but I don't know what kind of curry. We have so many spices, so we'll be fine on that front. But like a chicken, oh, coconut milk. Do we have coconut milk? We talked about this yesterday. I have to go and check if we have coconut milk. I think we do. I have to go check. We do have coconut milk, and I think that's what prompted the idea of a curry, because we were talking about how we have so much canned stuff. So I'm just gonna type in chicken like Thai curry and see if there's a recipe that we can make. I think all I need to do is actually just get some red curry paste, because I don't think we have that, a capsicum, and a leek. We have ginger, garlic, we already have a bunch of cilantro, coriander, whatever you call it. I feel like my words for things switch a lot here, depending just on the mood and who I'm talking to, but there's like different words for food here. Like I call the leafy green thing rocket, but here it's arugula, and rocket is just the one that I stick to. I don't know why I haven't changed up my language for that. So a lot of the time I'll say it and people will be like, I have no idea what you're talking about. And I usually try to like just match what people say here, because it's so much easier than trying to have to explain. I think that'll do. I don't want to make it too complicated. We'll just have some rice. It'll be a red curry. Unless I want to do green, do it green Thai curry. I'm just gonna text him and ask him what he wants, red or green, just to see if that makes the decision making any easier. But I might get the stuff for both, and then that way we have like options in the coming weeks as well. Do you know what? I wanna get some coffee filters. Like the basket's fine and everything, but a lot of you suggested to just use filters inside the basket of the coffee machine just to make things easier. I think that might be it. That might be my list. It's not a lot. We just need a little bit of a top up, but I just want to make sure that I'm not forgetting anything. I have this tiny little spider on my hand. I sat down on a park bench for 2 seconds. Oh, look, there he goes. Finally, he made it. He's off my hand. There we go. Goodbye, spider. I got to the grocery store and had to pull apart my entire bag because I didn't have the list with me, and I just got home and it's here on the bench. So I have no idea if I got all the things that I wanted. I got some blackberry jam, which is on the list. I just wanted jam, but blackberry is the best. I also got some snap peas, which is not on the list, but I just thought that they might be good in the curry because we decided to go for a green curry instead of red. I did get my oil. I did also get the tahini. I didn't get a leek because we changed the idea of the curry. I got tomatoes. Oh, I didn't get eggs. I didn't get eggs or coffee filters or bacon. I was gonna get some turkey bacon as well. So I missed coffee filters, turkey bacon, and eggs. I did get a capsicum though, so I guess that's off the list. Actually, no, I did. I put snow peas down. I did put snow peas down. And then I also got wine because we really like the 19 Crimes wine. The one with Snoop Dogg though is the best in my opinion. But these ones are from Australia. I think last week we had a blend. I don't know, it was in the vlog. I don't remember. It was a blend, I think. So this time I thought I would just try a straight Shiraz. This is from southeastern Australia, so I'm gonna guess like Victoria, maybe, Yarra Valley. I love Shiraz, but I find that it's actually really quite hard to get here. Anyway, damn it, I knew I was gonna forget some stuff. Maybe I'll get some things on my way back this afternoon because I'm gonna go for an afternoon walk. So maybe I'll get there, but yeah, I am going to, you know what I am gonna do? I'm going to make myself a little iced coffee with the leftover coffee in the pot. I love having a drip coffee machine. It is the best. I have these little containers that I got from, what do you call them? From Amazon. Someone asked me about them the other day and I couldn't link this exact size out. They only had the big ones, but I love the little ones. I have two, and I have one for my little water at the moment, and then I also have one for iced coffee. I already had one just before we left. My friend is texting me and I totally just got distracted looking at that on my phone. What was I saying? I don't know, I use one for water and one for iced coffee. The other thing too is that when I made this pot this morning, it's actually decaf. I bought some ground decaf because I don't want to be drinking too much caffeinated coffee. So I do a small pot of actual caffeinated coffee in the morning and then switch to decaf, which means I can just drink this throughout the afternoon. And I also ordered some matcha because I haven't had matcha in so long and I miss it. And I think it might be arriving today. It's coming from Amazon. I don't even know if it's a good one or not. I just bought what I saw show up when I searched matcha. I got an email from my accountant, so I need to do a little bit of admin stuff and stay on top of that. I probably should check emails and things as well, get all of those tasks and things done, and then I really want to go for a walk. It's so steamy out there. I feel like we've finally hit the part of DC where it's just so steamy and hot and not ideal. It's like we skipped from spring straight to summer, but then at the same time it's gonna be like cold again next week. Very, very annoying. But anyway, I need to get on with this and get this done because it's starting to stress me out. Also too, while I'm up, I'm gonna change out of my jeans because jeans are not that comfortable. I mean, I like getting dressed every day. It makes me happy, but I just kind of want to be comfy while I sit here and type away. All right, that is so much better. Comfy trackies, and my camera battery's flashing at me too. So we will do as much of this as my camera allows me to, and then I will charge you while I finish all of this up. You know what? The one thing I hate about wearing lipstick is it gets all over straws and it's just so gross. It's been 5 hours. I have been here for 5 hours. I didn't even realize how much time had gotten away. I really thought that was only going to take me like 2, maybe 2.5 hours. Took 5. I really wanted to go for a walk about 3 p.m.-ish, and it's now just 6. And my boyfriend called me. He's on his way home from work, and he said it's the worst traffic that he's ever been in. So I don't know when he's going to get home, and I really wanted to go for a walk. If I can't make it outside before it gets dark, I mean, we went for sort of like an evening walk last night, so we may still do an evening walk tonight. But if we don't make it out for a walk, I might go and jump on the treadmill for like 45 minutes later longer this evening, just when it's like quiet and there's no one up there, and I can get my steps in that way. I've been trying really hard to get my steps in, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait for him to get home. Actually, I probably should call him again and just double check, because I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't actually really paying too much attention when he called me because I was like in the zone focused, but that was only like 15 minutes ago, so I might call him and find out where he is. But yeah, that kind of threw off my afternoon and my plans, but that's okay. I am accomplished. I got a lot done. I just spoke to my boyfriend again, and he's still 25 minutes away, maybe a bit longer, and it's just not long enough for me to go for a walk. So I think I will ditch an outside walk today just to go up on the treadmill. It's so easy on the treadmill. I just go up to the gym and then like watch TikTok or something, and it just passes the time so quickly. Or I play a game of Catan, which I may very well do, but the internet up there is actually really bad. So anyway, I have made quite a mess in here today. There's just stuff everywhere, so I think I'm gonna clean my room first. I'm just gonna tidy up in here and kind of like wind down.